Hello everyone, I'm Johan Majapuro and I'm coming from Vaski Oy, Finland. Welcome to Forming Now. At IMTEX exhibition, we are showing the punch prodigy that is designed for punching the copper and aluminium bar. We are the company manufacturing of servo-electric punching machines, and that provides us high accuracy, low maintenance, and most important, save of the material in copper punching. Punch Prodigy is a 32-ton punching force machine that is designed to punch 16mm materials. Our typical customers are running aluminium and copper bars. After punching, the copper bar is usually CNC milled and bended for the final component. We are using here 4-station thick turret tooling, and we can provide the machine either with manual loading, automatic loading, gantry robot, and connect the bending and CNC milling online with the machine.